Hey guys, it's Brandon. Hey, I'm sorry about the noise in the background. Kinda live on a highway. But anyways, I'm sorry about the delay on YouTube videos, but today I'm going to show you my car. I know, I'm only like 15 years old, but I got a car. It's been in the family for 12 years. There's cat tracks. Oh my god, there's freaking cat tracks. I'm getting kind of cold, so I'm going to put this up. I wonder if there's a... Here's my car. Here's my car. Trying to block out the light. It's kind of... Yeah, I need... Oh boy. Here's my car. I haven't rode it. Oh my god, I'm on the road cup. We haven't rode in it for the longest time. Whew. Oh, that's levitation. Just step up on there. Wow. More cat tracks. Red poop. Front end of my car. Get further back here. It's a night, I think 2001. I'm not sure. I know, who's gonna steal my car? I'm in the middle of nowhere. Crap. Oh. Yeah, I think it's like a 2001. It's my car. My dad wants to keep it. Hey, his wireless device. A baseball bat. Holy crap. Hey, there's that serpentine belt needs put on. It goes actually in the car. Oh no, duh. But still. In my trunk, I have nothing. Oh my god. Oh. See, nothing. That don't work. Tires being pumped up. It's been sitting out here for a year. I want to see if I can find the hood opener thingy. I think this is it. Ah! I don't know. Oh, right here. I'm sorry, little buddy. Let's see. Everything is stock. I'm gonna sit you guys down for a minute. Yeah, I don't know. Can't remember how to, oh, there it is. Ew. Water. Crap. Oh, it's cold. That's my little baby. This is my baby. See, I'm hoping when I get a new motor, or I might not get a new motor, there's nothing wrong with it, but the serpentine belt actually runs. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. There's these two little rusty things back there. It connects back there. It's actually pretty hard to put on. I thought, hey, maybe it's just gonna be one of them easy projects like changing the freaking gaskets or whatever. It's like, no, you just gotta be so specific about it. We're gonna put it in the most difficult place in the freaking car. If you're gonna replace the serpentine belt, I suggest replace the motor or pull the motor and put it on that way. It's easier. You actually just got like 5, not even anywhere 5 or below inches to work with. I'm sorry I'm shivering. It's 30 freaking degrees out here. Alright, I'm gonna shut this. Oh, thank God. This is my car. So, there it is. My little Ford Escort ZX2. The other side has, it's all stock too. It's normal. Alright guys, maybe talk to you guys later. I'm not real sure. There's my old racket, or crappy old rock. I gotta go in the house. Later guys.